America runs on Dunkin'.
Like a lot of people, I'm trying to take care of myself a little better. Some things work really well. Others, well, I'm trying. But one thing I know for sure, eating better is so much easier with Simple Truth. You'll find Simple Truth and Simple Truth organic items throughout your store. Clean Simple tells you only the good stuff goes in. Plus, Simple Truth is delicious and affordable. And that means a lot. Simple Truth. Easy to find, easy to understand. Only at Smith's.
Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm Sean. We're the #1 gold bar in the nation, and we're here to tell you what. Quite simply, we give you more. More cash for your gold and a more comfortable experience than you're going to find anywhere. We can't wait to meet you and show you
Max, go easy with her. She's little. Where she go? Lola, go get Max.